Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've opened PowerPoint online and found the slide with the red squiggly. First, click the text box showing the red line so the cursor appears. This tells the editor which content to check. Next, use the Review tab or right-click the underlined word to surface spelling suggestions. Once done, decide if the change is a typo, a proper noun you want to keep, or jargon that needs a custom dictionary entry. That choice determines the next action. Now you'll act on the suggestion. Right-click the red underlined word and pick the correct replacement to remove the squiggle immediately. If the word is valid in your context, choose Add to Dictionary so PowerPoint won't flag it later. This saves time across the deck. For multiple issues, open Review then Spelling to run a full check. That tool walks you through each flagged item, letting you correct, ignore, or add words in one pass, which is faster for longer presentations. Finish by saving the presentation so changes sync to OneDrive and collaborators stop seeing red lines. If the underline still appears, reload the browser or clear cache because the UI can lag. Make sure you're in editing mode rather than read view. Also inspect language settings, both review language in PowerPoint Online and your browser's spellcheck language, since mismatched language settings will keep flagging words. If problems continue, try a different browser or sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.